Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making a unboxing for a package that just came in the mail. Here we go. So, got Booker T with a chain of some sort. No scuffs on the chest, the arms. Got B for Booker. Booker Booker T on the side of the boots. No scuffs on the boots. Not on the arms. It says Booker on the back of his tights. No scuffs on the back. No fading hairline. That's that one. So next up, we got Randy Orton, the older Randy Orton. Got the tattoos here, 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 here. You got the knee pads. I don't know why they're so low. You got the black with silver markings on all over. Got Orton on the back of the tights. Got another tattoo. A little fading of the hairline, but not much. That's that one. So we got Balls ECW's Balls Mahoney. Got his tattoos. Got his tongue ring. Got his other tattoos. And his other tattoo on his leg. No fading of the sneakers. No fading of the jean shorts, the t-shirt. No fading of the hairline. That's that one. Oh, I got another Orton. So this Randy Orton is also the older Randy Orton, or the younger Randy Orton, maybe. So we got the black with the red going around. Got Orton on the back of the tights. Got his tattoos. Got no markings on his legs, his chest. No fading of the hairline. No markings on the boots. So we got Batista figure, jakks. Says the animal, has a tattoo on his belly button. A little fading of the hairline. Got the tattoo on one arm. Got a tattoo on another arm. Got the back tattoo. Says Batista in black with gray around it. No markings on his chest, his legs, his boots. That's that one. And this one is a surprise. I didn't even know that this was going to come with it. But this is Joey Mercury. You got no fading of the hairline. You got brown with black crosses all over the pants. His pockets. No scuffs on the back of his back. No scuffs on the chest, the arms, the boots. That's that one. And this is Johnny Nitro, aka John Morrison. You got John Morrison with the sideburns there, scuffs on his chest. Also, brown or tan with black crosses. No scuffs on his boots. No, well, two scuffs on his back pockets. No scuffs on his arms. It's that one. So this is Ray Grundy. Ray Grundy. He's used to tag team with Festus. You got blue, yellow, and black singlet. No scuffs on his arms. No scuffs on his legs, boots. No fading hairline. No scuffs on his back. That's that. Here's this one. I believe this is Deuce from Deuce and Domino, who used to be a tag team in the WWE. You got white t-shirt, black pants, black boots. No scuffs on his arms. No fading hairline. No scuffs on the back of his shirt. That's that one. You got Cody Rhodes in his green tights with CR, green knee pads, yellow boots, no scuffs on his chest, arms, no fading hairline, no scuffs on his back. Says nothing on the back of his tights. That's that one. And the last one is Paul London. He tagged with Brian Kendrick. That's why his tights are like this. He has purple and black, purple boots with a clown picture on it. PL for Paul London on one side, a clown on another. Nothing on the back. No scuffs on the back. No scuffs on the chest. No fading hairline. So that has been my unboxing of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Jakks specific figures. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.